Option one, yes.
Yes.
Yes vote is for reimagining North Penn High School. Let's talk about what the yes vote concept looks like and how we manage 4,000 students in ninth grade here at the high school.
So, the building was built in 1971 for 2,400 kids. We currently have about 3,000 here. And back in the 90s, a decision was made not to build a second high school, and that property was sold. But what didn't happen was the arteries and the hallways of the building, they were not widened. Right? We didn't increase the capacity of the 1971 building to handle 3,000 kids. So the yes vote, Bob, is not only moving ninth graders and creating new spaces and 2023 and beyond learning spaces, but it's right-sizing the building for not just 3,000 kids, but 4,000. Access to other areas of the building, wayfinding, and campus flow will totally be reimagined and revitalized because it just doesn't meet our needs today. And you said to me, and I've said this publicly many times, why would our building right now does not meet our needs? Why would we make that 1971 building new again to the 1971 standards? And that's really what a no vote is.